stuff here. I don't know how big though. Oh my God. So today I'm out here, family, in the garden, looking for potatoes. And I haven't been here for a while, so today we'll see. Let's see what we could find today in this garden. Okay. Hmm. This is like a giant right here. My goodness. Oh, I can't even get it up. Hold on, family, be patient. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. Look at this one. Woo! My. Look at this one. Eh? Oh, that's like winning the lotto. Let's see what else is here. I gotta feel. I don't want to take up the babies. Mm. Woo! My. I don't know where this is going, but I gotta get some of this leaf up. Jimmy, come cut us some of this, some of them, man. Time now. Them picking up so much. Look at this. Gotta find something broke over. Oof, my. Oh, here's one. Another one, family. This is a small one. This is not an easy task. You gotta dig deep and deep. Here's one. That's a small one too. Family, today I'm going to replant here. Just gonna get rid of these potatoes so we can utilize the raised bed for something else coming up. Okay, here is some right here. So family, if you think that I shouldn't get rid of them, just make a comment. If you would like some potato slip, whatever they call it, just hit me up because I'm gonna get rid of these. This look like the orange potato though. We have a mixture here. Here's another one, big one that broke. Oh my God, this is a back breaker. Whew. Okay, give Mr. Jimmy. Pull this up for Jimmy. Give it to him. Need the garden for something else. I'm not gonna destroy right there, but here gotta go. This is the other side of the garden with the sweet potatoes, but I cannot. Gotta let someone else dig that up for me. Raise up the bed. And over here, so when you're done. So, let me see that. Push it out here. Enough for potatoes now. And number one, when you put too many of the bushy things, all those critters do is live under them. I can't bother. You know what I mean, Jimmy? They just live under the things. I can't deal.
You call critters.
The frogs and the.
As long as you don't have no snake, don't worry about them.
I don't care. I don't want no frogs jumping out. They scare me.
They don't scare me.
Yeah, they scare me. Oof. Me. Pigeon pea soup. How about that, family? Some more here. Sit for this tree. See anything else? These are not ready yet. Okay, this can stay. Kitchen.